Hi everybody, and this is going to be very quick. So those three websites I showed you in the other video, this is the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, so the CDC. There's so much information on this website, so the link I gave you goes right to this reopening guidance for cleaning and disinfecting public spaces, so including schools. They have other tools here that might be useful. Again, I don't expect you to read this whole page, but there's lots of information here that might spark an idea. So I would scan it until something, puts the proverbial light bulb on in your head. Okay, so there's that one. The second one was about classroom mental health, and let's see if this will load. This is sort of more for teachers, but there was a student section under self-care and students. And then this is a little more student friendly with live links to help you take care of your health in this new situation we find ourselves in. And then lastly, this article I talked about with alternative school calendars. And alternative just means other choices. Some people, let's get rid of that ad. Some people don't like the idea of getting away from the 5-day school week, but there are other places that have embraced year-round school. Now that does include longer breaks over the holidays, a later start time for teens, a 4-day school week. That's been a popular idea for a lot of areas. Trimesters, so instead of 2 semesters, you'd have 3 semesters in 1 year. Which I actually had that in college at one point, and it wasn't too bad because at the end of every trimester you got at least 3 weeks off, so it was pretty nice. And then other options down here. So that's just a quick look at what is out there. There's so many more things, but let me know if you're struggling or if you need other ideas.